Oh, you're a German Shepherd, are you? Say hello to the Allied force!
Dude, what's with the monkey sharpening the machete?
Bro, that's Furious George.
If Sheldon holds on for 8 more seconds, he wins the aquarium rodeo!
Ah, peckerhead, huh? Ooh, let me help. You got the putter? I'll bring the flutter. Woohoo! We did it, buddy!
That's just like toothpaste. You just gotta squeeze the bottom.
Thanks, Dave. Wait, I'm the last samurai? So why'd you go from boxing to massage therapy? Netflix took down Aristocats before I could finish it.
Oh, come here, baby.
Oh, what? It's happening. Feline evolution. I'm walking upright. I'm getting taller. I'm standing on the fluffing table. Frank is an incredible actor. Hey, Frank, give us an aggressive lick. This catnip is freaking me out, man. Did you hear? Those are all Becky's? Yeah, look at the tails. Kendall, this is the last straw. Now give me my Meowhito. Dulce will pay for what he did.
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
And who do we have here?
Don't touch me.
Oh, is the little Betty Bug gonna do something?
I said,
Don't touch me!
It's okay, Kathy. You just drank too much. Here, I'll hold your tail back. Oh, I'm out. Hey, don't touch me. You can't use my fur for your bow. Ooh, yellow cedar, a symphony staple. Hey, don't touch me. And why are you violinists so antsy? I appreciate the pets, but I'm still gonna shed all over your black dress.
Okay, yeah, let me just scooch by you. Oh, shit. Yeah, let me just kind of tap that there and resolve.
Happy New Year!
My money, Kevin! Pony up!
Lights, camera, and action.
Oh.
They found us! Everybody run! You'll never take me alive! Go, Kenneth! I am, but the water's not getting any closer!
Yeah, I'm just a roach with a roach.
Frank's mama was a crow.
But his daddy was a gorilla.
Hey, Terry, watch this. Kenneth, don't make an ass of yourself again. Too late.
See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile. Why are y'all closing your doors? As if I'd ride in anything but a Jaguar.
Poor Timmy has night terrors.
Breaking news. Meow Mix has filed bankruptcy.
No! Demon, I cast you out with all the might and fury imparted to me by the Messiah! Okay, Frank, you're good now. Hey, what's up, my fellow felines? It's hard being a cat like us, right, guys? Meow money, meow problems. Okay, I just wanted a drink of water, jeez. Are those sour apple gummy worms? Righty,
tighty,
lefty,
loosey,
and that is how we
get the juicy.
got it. Do I smell baked beans?
I won the lottery, I hit the quackpot, and I'm quitting my job today.
And
Ice cream? 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Meow. Meow.
one fish, one fur thing, some feathers, one kitty. Ma'am.
Go, Curtis, man. Oh, yeah. Let that.
Hey! Hey kids, can I get a who? Oh, thank you. Someone's gonna.
I owed him up.
You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to.
I cannot.
Oh.
My God.
Jesus.
Blackie.
Oh, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m.
What the?
Yo, this cat's...
I just wanted you to watch me dissolve.